Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel. Open the pixel app, select the import button. Go to the gallery, select a photo. Adjust the photo. Remove the background, select the orange color. Enable button down, adjust the photo. Then select the text option, edit by writing. Change the color, select the color option, adjust the color. And then copy the letters to the copy option. Change the color to the color option, adjust the color. Then to back the letter. Save the letter, so the save option. Adjust the save confirmation. And then select the text option, edit by writing. The size button, adjust the size. Select the stroke button. Enable button down, adjust the color. And then select the font option, adjust the font. Copy the letters to the copy option. Change the color to the color option. Change the background to the color option. Adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.